So just while we're on bank accounts, let me move this to one screen. And the bank account, so the account number should end in 27.
I think it did.
Yeah, so 27 is correct. I have it on my other screen. So 27 is the correct bank account number for a euro payment. So back to the question then is we've now got a solution that I would want to take forward into another environment. So
Right.
the transfer process for that is what?
Yeah. So open solution workbench. Right. And say, yeah, create a new one and give it some ID. I don't know, something.
Well, I'm going to go with NC first to keep our ones first. So I'm going to go NC AR form.
Yeah, that's fine.
Type. Solution.
Right, okay, save it. Solution type, you don't need that. Don't need that at all.
Right, okay.
Just save it, right? And now in the solution content where it says item types, click on the plus sign and select report style from this list. So it's going to be further down. Report style, and now click on the search at the top. When you highlighted this, click on the search at the top. Yes, and to pick the custom ones, click on the style number column. Right? Yeah, I know you already found it, but click on it one more time. Yeah, and now you are sorting it by style number, so you know that the ones that are custom with the higher number will be at the top, right? So you selected that, say add, right, and say add again. Now this has a custom report data definition. See, it says add report data definition, and if it is a custom, then say yes.
Okay.
Right? Save the solution again. See, in the item types, it shows you that you have the report style and that you have the report data definition. This is what a custom report consists of. So now from the actions menu, you can build a solution. Build solution. And basically say build. And this will now, you can save the solution file somewhere on your disk.
Now, I do believe these should be on the network in case something happens to my computer. So we're going to go Abicore info, and I'm going to go folder with solutions.
Yeah.
Abicore solutions. Open. Save it in there.
Yes, save. Right. These files, these are validation files and just a log. Those are not necessarily important. Yeah. So you can close that. No, close.
Right. Okay.
Right? And now, if you go to your other environment,
I don't have it yet, but yes.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Just clear this form. Clear this form, so you don't have to do it. But basically, when you open solution, then you just say install solution. So you don't select the solution, just install, and then you browse for a file. Right?
Yeah.
Open. And then over here, what you can say overwrite files and overwrite data, and then just install. Don't install it here because you already have it here.
Yeah.
But that's all. This is all you need to do on the other environment.
Yeah. But the thing is, we will be reaching out to you for help with that anyway. But here, how much more time have I got with you?
I have no idea. I don't know. I don't think Like you mean today?
Yeah.
Let me check because what do I have?
Because I've one more question which nobody has answered me yet.
Right. Okay. Ask the question. If it's going to be quick,
Yeah.
I can answer it. If it's not going to be quick, then
I'm looking to see a work list for a certain department. So, for example, in here we've got a thing. We thought cutting list would give us everything, but it doesn't. It gives us very little. So, and again, it's a printout. I don't want a printout. I want to see what is the work list for the saw department for today.
right. Okay.
So I created this thing here. I did one called jobs, where I tried to give the jobs, but it doesn't show it by department. So I wanted basically to have this screen showing the work list for saw department, the work list for
what is the department in your
saw.
case? Is it something, a type of operation on a job,
Yes,
or
yes, saw.
right? Okay. The job list by department. So
No,
basically,
I created this, but it's
yeah,
not.
yeah, yeah. That's fine. That's fine. I understand that. But this is based on a BAQ, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Right. So the BAQ needs to have the job needs to come from the job operations,
yes.
right? And you need to filter it based on, I don't know what date would be.
Uh, so this was the one I created.
Right. And this is so part class, job head, job operation with the, okay, can we have a look at that relationship, the job operation and the part? That doesn't seem right. Right, company part num. Yeah, this is not right. Can you delete that relationship? Because yeah, that's not great. Not the relationship. If you highlight the relationship, like the line between the part and the job operation table.
What? Here?
Not there. The actual line that connects the two rectangles representing the table. See, there's a delete icon. Yeah, delete that relationship. Right, and now pull the relationship from the job head table to the job operation. Not like that, the other way around. From job head to job oper. Yeah. Right. Let's have a look at the relationship company job num. Okay, so this is better. Try to run it like this. Let's just test. Right. Do we have any fields for the job
Yes,
operation?
we do.
Operation.
So I've got a welding, robot, welding, laser, saw. So that tells me if I put that into my table now, I can filter this for saw and for CNC. So that gives me how many he has to make 43 pins. Yeah. So out of interest, at BAQ level, how do you put a filter on to just show like one department?
On the BAQ level, well, you can introduce a parameter,
Yeah.
But then on a dashboard, it will ask you for that parameter each time.
Yes. To be quite honest,
Did you already have a dashboard created out of this?
Yes.
Right.
This here's a dashboard.
Yeah. Right. Try to refresh it now.
Oh, I thought you were going to ask me to do something different.
Just refresh the data. Because if you change the underlying BAQ, then yeah, you have the operations there.
Did you see them?
Yeah.
Yeah. So in theory, the users can filter for what operations do I have that are for SW. So that's the list of work for the saw. Job numbers and quantities. The quantities are there somewhere. I've seen them. Production quantity.
Yeah, it's just when you have many jobs, you might want to, filter this list.
Yeah. And of course, the thing too is this list has to be grouped by material. So, say they've got a working day. Well, we want to do all the 2-inch material first and then the 1-inch material and plan it that way. So I'll have to bring in material so then we can group by material.
Right.
But here,
yeah, so that would be in the job material table.
Yes. Yeah. I just need to go back and do that. Look, for some reason you've done your usual there and just waved your magic wand, which I appreciate. So look, thanks for now, Mackie. I don't want to take up too much of your day. Right. Look after yourself, buddy.
Yeah, you too.
Good
luck.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
All right. Bye.